What I'd like to do now, because of the interest in balance in this group, is go through a fundamental set of concepts and movement principles that are key to why Tai Chi is the #1 exercise for falls avoidance in older adults. So for starters, stand comfortably. And I'm going to ask you to move your mind as far out of your head as you can get and still be in your body. Where will that put you? Your feet. Feel them. Your hard-working feet. Lots to feel. 25% of the bones in the human body are in our feet. There's 100 soft tissue structures in each foot. Muscles, tendons, connective tissue. And our feet evolved to be very sensitive and mobile. But the way we live today, we tend to bind them up in footwear, bang around on concrete, and that makes them less mobile and less sensitive. And in Tai Chi for balance training, one of the key emphases is feeling your feet with increasing consistency. And that helps you gather information. It's going to help you avoid a fall. And then the other body awareness element we emphasize in Tai Chi for balance is feeling your center. And we define your center as back to the top of your head, and now feel from the top of your head straight down your body to the bottom of your pelvis. It's your perineum. And that's your center. And there's nerve endings all along there, and you can feel it. It's deep in your body. Many people are not used to feeling deep in their body until they start getting some training. So feel your center best you can, the center of your body. And then aim to align your center in the vertical. Now, just a little, lean this way. Feel your center. And bring it back to the vertical. Doesn't that feel different? Can you feel the difference? All right, lean the other way. Feel your center. And back to the vertical. It feels different. When you tune into your center, you can feel when you're vertical and when you're not. Now, lean forward just a little. Feel that? And back to the vertical. All right, now we're going to begin to move. So shift weight, take a step forward. And you can just put your hands on your abdomen. We're going to add a weight shift. So shift weight back, shift weight forward, shift weight back, shift weight forward. So this is a fundamental movement component of Tai Chi. We shift weight in nearly every move. But it's a little different than we're used to shifting weight. For example, when we walk, we shift weight very quickly. This is a slow, gradual, complete weight shift. You can feel muscles engage and then release as you unload the leg. This is exercise. And as we're going to do this for a little bit, if it starts to feel like exercise, I would agree. But it is low impact. So we're shifting weight, but we're not pounding the joint. Sit. Shift weight forward, shift weight back. Let's change our stance. Shift weight back, shift weight forward. Smooth, gradual, as complete a weight shift as you comfortably can. That's the idea. Next, if you're not already, feel your feet. What's happening as you shift weight? You can feel the pressure in the foot you're loaded. You feel the pressure in the other foot and the unloading of one foot. All those sensations are available to you when you extend your awareness to your feet. All right, I'm going to rotate 90 degrees and show you something. Most people that have not had training, and that includes some folks in this group, when they shift weight, watch. See me leading with my head? See me leaning? All right. So as a matter of biomechanics, the more a structure is off the vertical, the less stable it is. Think of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The more a structure is vertical, centered over its base, the more stable it is. Think of a pyramid. So if we want to move through the world and be more stable and less susceptible to falling, we want to feel our center and keep it in the vertical. So let's try that. So shift weight back. Feel your center. Is it leaning back? If it is, then just bring it forward a few degrees. And all right, now my head's over my pelvis. Now shift weight forward. Feel your center. Shift weight back. Feel your center. Shift weight forward. Feel your center, aiming to keep it in the vertical. And if you haven't done this before, it'll feel different. It's very common to lead movement with our heads. It's very common to lean when we move around. As you watch many, particularly older adults, ambulate, you'll see a lot of posture that's less than vertical. And some of that's, conditions that, can't be completely straightened out. But in many cases, their postures can be at least more vertical. Shift weight back, change your stance. Shift weight back, feel your center, keep it in the vertical. Feel it. And to do that, and I'm seeing a lot less leaning. It's cool. You're feeling your body rather than thinking about it, or rather than having an image in your brain. Your mind is in your body and you're responding to those sensations. And Tai Chi is a wonderful exercise for developing that. Nice. Change your stance. Just for fun, let's add some more moving parts. All right. So shift weight back. Feel your center, get in the vertical. Now place your hands somewhere around your diaphragm, palms facing each other. And when we shift weight forward, we're going to make part of a circle. So circle forward like this. Shift weight back, circle back. Shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. And in Tai Chi, we aim to power and control the upper part of the body with the lower part of the body. So feel how the weight shift can help send your hands forward rather than just pushing them from the shoulders. Feel how the weight shift can help draw your hands back rather than just pulling them back from the shoulders. Increasingly connected whole body movement. That's what we're aiming for in Tai Chi. Nice. So if you're not already, check in with your center. Extending the arms tends to induce a lean in people. So feel for that. Aiming to keep the center in the vertical. Come to the back of your circle. Let's change directions. So now we'll circle down and forward, up and back. That's it. So feeling your legs and hips, for anybody, does this feel like exercise? Definitely does in my body. Tai Chi is a wonderful exercise for strengthening legs and hips, particularly for those of us who have had high impact times of life and our joints can't take the pounding anymore. Tai Chi can develop wonderful leg and hip strength without the pounding. Come to the back of your circle, please. Change your stance. Shift weight back, shift weight forward, circle forward, shift weight back, circle back. Come to the back of your circle. So I'm gonna add something. So we'll see how this goes. You may enjoy this. So circle forward. Feel the top of your head. Inhale. And as you circle down and back, release down through your body. Inhale, feel the top of your head. Exhale, release down, just like we did seated. Inhale. Exhale, release from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. You are exercising and relaxing. And as your body relaxes, as you release some increments of tension, feel how it affects your movements. You're all moving more smoothly. I can see that. Your coordination is increasing. And that's one of the ways we move in Tai Chi and how relaxing contributes to the fluid, smooth, coordinated whole body movement of Tai Chi. Nice. Come to the back of your circle. Step back. Take a moment. Feel how you feel.